The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is not just a car. It's a statement of raw American power, performance, and engineering brilliance. And today on Car Vibes, we're going to dive deep into every detail of this modern muscle legend. Dodge has always been known for pushing boundaries when it comes to muscle cars. And with the new 2026 Challenger SRT Demon 170, they've taken everything enthusiasts loved about the original Demon and cranked it up to a whole new level. This is a machine built for those who crave horsepower, adrenaline, and the unmistakable roar of a true American V8. But with a modern twist that blends classic muscle car soul with next-generation performance technology. From the outside, the 2026 Demon 170 looks every bit as menacing as its reputation demands. Its aggressive stance, wide-body design, and aerodynamic enhancements are all tailored not just for looks but for performance. The hood scoop is massive, feeding an enormous amount of air into the beastly engine beneath, while functional air ducts and vents ensure cooling efficiency at extreme speeds. The front fascia is sharp and purposeful, with LED lighting integrated seamlessly into the muscular design. From the side, the widened fenders and massive drag radial tires scream performance. While at the rear, a bold spoiler and quad exhaust outlets remind anyone behind it that this is not just another car cruising the streets. Dodge has kept the classic Challenger DNA alive, but sharpened it for the future with modern lines, lightweight materials, and aerodynamic sculpting that make it look like it's ready to launch down a drag strip, even while parked. Under the hood is where the true magic happens. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, tuned to an astonishing output of over 1,100 horsepower when running on ED5 ethanol fuel. That makes it one of the most powerful production cars on the planet, and certainly one of the fastest muscle cars ever built. Dodge has fine-tuned the supercharger, upgraded the fuel system, reinforced the internals, and engineered a drivetrain capable of handling monstrous levels of torque. On high-performance fuel, the Demon 170 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 1.6 seconds, making it quicker than most hypercars that cost 3 or 4 times as much. It also holds the title of being one of the few production cars capable of lifting its front wheels off the ground during a launch. An absolutely insane feat that proves just how much raw power Dodge has packed into this machine. But speed alone isn't enough, and Dodge knows that enthusiasts demand precision engineering to keep that power under control. The 2026 Demon 170 comes with an advanced launch control system, a torque management setup, and upgraded suspension specifically designed for drag racing. Adaptive dampers, stiffer springs, and reinforced components ensure the car can put all its power to the ground efficiently. The transmission has been updated for lightning-fast shifts, capable of handling extreme levels of torque without compromise. Add to this the massive Brembo brakes with multi-piston calipers and ventilated rotors, and you've got a car that doesn't just accelerate like a rocket but can stop with equal authority. Inside, the Demon 170 strikes a balance between stripped-down performance focus and modern luxury. Dodge gives buyers the option to keep it hardcore with minimal interior components for maximum weight savings, or to opt for a more comfortable setup with high-quality leather seats, advanced infotainment, and premium materials throughout. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster that can display everything from G-forces and performance metrics to drag strip timing data. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, offering both grip and style, while the center console houses performance mode selectors that let you fine-tune the car's behavior for street driving, drag racing, or track days. For tech lovers, the Uconnect infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment features, but the real star of the show will always be the sound of that V8 engine. Performance figures for the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 are staggering. With over 1,100 horsepower on tap, it can complete the quarter mile in under 9 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars in the world. That level of performance pushes the boundaries of what's possible with a street-legal car. Dodge engineers work tirelessly to ensure safety, stability, and control at such incredible speeds. And the result is a car that feels like a drag strip weapon straight from the factory. It's not just about numbers, though. The Demon 170 delivers an experience unlike anything else. The roar of the supercharged HEMI, the feel of the car squatting down under acceleration, and the sheer thrill of launching down an open road create an emotional connection that only a true muscle car can deliver. The exterior and interior design cues also pay homage to Dodge's muscle car heritage. From the retro-inspired bodylines to the bold Challenger badge, it carries forward the spirit of classic American performance while embracing the future. Carbon fiber components reduce weight, while advanced aerodynamics improve downforce and stability. Dodge has even included multiple wheel and tire packages, allowing owners to tailor the Demon 170 for drag racing, street performance, or daily usability. Despite being a performance monster, the car still offers surprising practicality, with a usable trunk, available rear seats, and everyday drivability if you want it. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is its exclusivity. Dodge plans to produce it in limited numbers, making it a true collector's car. Each vehicle will come with a unique build plaque, performance certificate, and the kind of rarity that ensures it will be cherished by enthusiasts and collectors for decades to come. Pricing is expected to be premium, but considering the performance offered, it's a fraction of the cost of European hypercars that can't match its raw speed. What makes the Demon 170 even more special is the fact that it represents the final chapter of an era. As the automotive world shifts toward electrification, Dodge has ensured that the Challenger SRT Demon 170 stands as the ultimate swan song for gasoline-powered muscle. It captures everything that made muscle cars legendary: raw power, aggressive styling, and uncompromised performance, and pushes it to the absolute limit. It's not just a car. It's a piece of automotive history, a reminder of what American engineering can achieve when the only goal is to build the most powerful, most outrageous muscle car ever. So, whether you're a die-hard Dodge fan, a speed enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates automotive excellence, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is a car that demands attention. It's brutal, it's fast, it's unapologetically loud, and it's built to dominate drag strips, streets, and hearts all over the world. On Car Vibes, we can confidently say that this is one of the most exciting cars of our time, and a true legend in the making. The Demon 170 doesn't just raise the bar, it smashes it, rewrites the rules, and ensures that the legacy of Dodge muscle cars will live on forever.